Hey everyone, it's Angela with Earrings by Angela, and welcome to our Raising Your Vibe series. We are continuing, and if this is your first time joining us, please feel free to, and I'm sorry, please feel free to subscribe to our channel and become part of the family and the conversation. Um, you guys, this is our letter N for today because we're doing A through Z, not all the letters, but some specific ones that I just really wanted to highlight. And after this video, if you feel like, oh my God, I need the whole workbook, because you can download it and everything, I will put the link in the description for you and you can go over there and grab that, okay? Because you can keep printing out. It's always more work to do. There's a lot of work to do in here. Some daily, some not. So today we're gonna focus on the letter N. Okay, so N may be one of my favorites. I gotta do my evil fingers. We're talking about natural crystals. Now, I want to let you know that some of the stones that you may see in like the department stores and whatnot are not natural crystals. They are imitation. Imitation, anything fake, has no depth to it. Meaning, so natural crystals have a natural healing power to them, right? They are part of our metaphysical practices, okay? Because they have that natural healing power in them, when you have the imitation, you don't get that, right? So, crystals are a way that we improve our connection to our higher self. So they work very closely with the seven main chakras. Now there are more than seven chakras, but we often, I shouldn't say always, but we often talk about the seven natural chakras, okay? And I'm going to save chakras for another day because that's actually letter C in the workbook. So you can get more information about that. There is a chakra video, so I will link the chakra video um, in the description. Uh, so yes, we use them to connect to our higher self. So let's say I need to work on my intuition, or no, let's not even do intuition. Let's go a little bit lower because we want to start down and come up. I need to work on my self esteem. Okay. So self esteem is like a solar plexus thing, and that's the color yellow, and it's in your energy center. So the stone that would go with that would be tiger eye, the yellow tiger eye. I actually have one. It's like over there. I should get it. I'm not gonna get it, but there's a tiger eye video. I will, I will link that because it'll tell you more about that stone. I had to write that down, y'all. I'm taking notes. But anyway, so that is the crystal that you would use to help you meditate with, you say your affirmations with, and whatever. Um, to get to that level of confidence, to get to your as you're building to get to your higher self. And crystals have also been used in many historical and cultural practices as a way of providing healing to the mind, body, and spirit. So before you ask me, because this is a question I get a lot, and there is a crystal video so that you can understand more about crystals, and I will link that crystal video and course with a workbook. Every course I do has a workbook. I'm sorry, but not sorry. I love to extend the learning. Um, but the crystals were used in, because I always hear as a Christian, um, is that not of God? Like, is that gonna go against my religion? And I'm here to tell you that it's actually in the Bible. Say it again. The high priest used to use amethyst in their religious ceremonies, and it is in the breastplate of the high priest. And to get more about that story, you can go to the Crystal 101 video, because I do give you historical facts on this stuff to answer questions. So they're used a lot. They're not just pretty, they actually have meaning to them. They're for your energy, they're for healing. Like, okay, I will give you a bonus. Remember, well, you probably don't, but I talk a lot about when I had insomnia, right? And one of the things that I did, because I do practice what I preach, you know, amethyst is my favorite. So you're gonna hear me talk about amethyst a lot. Amethyst is my favorite crystal. It's my ultimately favorite stone since I was a little girl and didn't know anything about crystals, because my favorite color is also purple. It wasn't my favorite color back then, but it as I came. But anyway, so I would use the amethyst. I would bless it and do what I had to do, cleanse it, charge it, whatever. And I would put it under my pillow to help me sleep at night. Worked like a charm. Now, I will give you this too, because remember I said I practice what I preach. My food has a lot to do with healing as well. And I know this is about crystals, but this is a bonus. Say bonus. If you have insomnia, eat a bunch of cherries about an hour before you go to bed. Knocks you out. It works. It works. And it's good for you. Cherries are so delicious. Oh! Okay. So, um, oh, one of the ways that you can tell if you have a real crystal or not is really look at it, look at the lines, feel the weight of the crystal, like feel the texture of it, because if it feels like a regular bead, plastic or whatever, it's not real, yo. Like my son got caught up. See, that's why you can't cheat on your mama. But he bought a bracelet for him and his girlfriend, a howlite bracelet. And as he was talking to me, I said, "Hey, where you get that bracelet?" "Oh, I got it from," and I won't tell you where he got it from. And I was like, "Bro, that's not real. I'm so sorry to have to tell you that it's not real. It has no healing benefits at all. It's just plastic painted to look like a crystal." He was like, "Man, I was wondering why it was so light." I said, "That's why you can't cheat on your mama, bro." Because that's the relationship that he and I have. Bro, that's how we talk. And yes, I do that. I'm like, "Bro, you cannot cheat on your mama." On what? I'm just playing. Yeah. But that's one way that you can tell where the natural crystals are in the imitation. And I will definitely put that link in the comments. If you have questions about crystals, in general, or if you need like to know, okay, I'm into crystals, but this is what was going on in my life, which crystal would you suggest? I have a Wisio page, and I give special consultations. So if you go to that page, and I will put the link in the description, if you go to that page, you can ask me a question and get a personalized video sent back to you from me to you answering your question. And then I will give you, specific to your needs, what to do with your crystal. Not a generalized, but specific to your needs. So if that's something that you are interested in, I will definitely put that in the comments. But for today, that's the end of this video, because I'm actually going to shoot another video right on that O right there. Boom. So, but I like to give each letter their own. So I will see you in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, family. Toodles.